Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing great today. So in this video I am going to recreate the tip Barsa pani wala look, and I think that looks really gorgeous, and actually some of you requested me to do that look, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve that look under 5 minutes, and it is going to be super duper easy. So yeah, let's begin with the video. So first, for the foundation, I am using this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation, and it is a medium coverage foundation, but it gives me a good coverage. So yeah, I am building up this foundation, and as you can see that it covers up my scars and acne scars really well. So for the concealer, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and it's a really good concealer. It's not a full coverage concealer, but it's a medium to buildable coverage wala concealer, but I really loved it. And also she have like a wet kind of look, so I want to recreate that look with makeup. So this concealer is really good because it's not a matte concealer, it gives you that dewy finish. So yeah, next up I am going to set my base with the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to use the banana shade here. I'm not going to bake my concealer, I'm just set it with the beauty blender. And for the contour, I am using the same Wet n Wild palette, and yeah, the contour is like a natural wala look. I'm not going to do a harsh contour. And for the blush, I am using the Sugar blush in the shade Coral Climax, and I'm going to use it on top of my cheekbones for that snatched look. And for the highlighter, I am using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal, and I'm going to use it on my higher points. And for the kajal, I am using the Maybelline Tattoo Line Kajal, and I am doing just like a eyeliner kind of look. You don't have to be precise on that because I'm going to smudge it later on, and I'm going to apply this on my waterline too. Now I'm going to use a pencil brush and smudge that from the upper lash line. Now I'm going to use this brown eyeshadow from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'm going to buff it out on my crease. Then I'm going to use this deep brown shade on top of that, so the kajal don't look harsh on the lines. So yeah, I'm just blending out the eyeshadow and also applying it on my lower lash line too. Next up, I am going to use a liquid liner so that I can create a wing on the inner corners. Next up, I am going to curl my lashes and use some mascara. And for the mascara, I am using here L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara. And today I am not going to use any false lashes, so I am using a lot of mascara. And for the lipstick, I am going to use the Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi. And definitely the look is incomplete without the wet hair. I just use some water sprayed on my hair to wet it, but you can use like a gel or aloe vera gel to give that like rain dance kind of feeling. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and be gorgeous.